Hello, my name is S.P.A.R.K. I'm one of the co-founders of Project Purpose. I want to share with you something we are calling Operation Community Reboot. We are bringing the S.P.A.R.K, the system, plan, access, resources, and knowledge that will reboot communities all across the nation. We're going to talk about the problem, the solution, and the investment. We all know that gang and drug violence is rampant across our nation. In fact, in Colorado, there's over 14,000 gang members, and nationwide, over 800,000 gang members. We also know that bullying and suicide and school failure is a huge problem as well. Here in Colorado, we have a suicide rate of 19% for 100,000 residents. Nationwide, that's over 13%. We also know that sex abuse and sex trafficking are also a huge problems in our nation. Here in Colorado, we have over 120 human trafficking cases that have been reported. Okay, understand, that's just reported. There's probably a lot more than that going on. And nationwide, over 100,000 cases. We also have a huge homelessness and affordable housing crisis going on in our nation. Here in Colorado, it's no different. There's over 613,000 people in poverty. Nationwide, there's over 4 million people in poverty. And we also have an unemployment job skill deficiency, over 70% skill deficiency in the workforce. Now, that's kind of strange because the unemployment rate here in Colorado is 2.3%, which is pretty good. Nationwide is over 4.3%. However, the people that are working in these jobs don't have the skill set to maintain those jobs. And the employers are looking for quality people to stay in those positions, and there's a huge deficiency going on in our nation. So what's the solution? Well, we put together some entities that are solving this problem. First, on the front end, we have an assessment. So we have individuals that go into the home, into the school, into the rec center, into wherever the individuals are at, and do an assessment. Sometimes it's just a visual assessment. Sometimes it's asking questions. Sometimes we have them fill out questionnaires and things like that to find out what the learning style is of that individual, to find out if there's any learning deficiencies of that individual. And then what we do is we transition that person into the skills training or the skills phase. This is Project Purpose. So what we do here is we teach them how to find their purpose. We teach them how to tie a tie. We teach them how to pull the pants up. We teach them the Constitution. We prepare them for the workforce because a lot of the folks don't have the soft skills needed to move into the workforce and be successful in the workforce. So then we move them into the jobs phase to where we actually partner them up with a staffing company who is looking for quality people. They have companies ready to hire. Understand what I'm saying? They have companies ready to hire. They just don't have quality people to move into those positions. So we are now providing them quality people now to move into those positions, and the staffing companies are loving it. We also have a trades phase. Some individuals out there actually love working with their hands. They actually love doing stuff with their hands. So we move them into the trades phase. This phase right here is awesome because most of the kids that go through this course, at the end of it, before they even graduate, they have 3 to 4 job offers, not interviews. They have job offers, companies that are offering them big money for them to start their career and headed towards like a journeyman type situation. And then on the back end, there are some other individuals that actually don't want a job or a career. They actually have an idea, a concept. You know, they want to be an entrepreneur. So we take them from their concept all the way to completion, even to the point to where we have micro investors standing by ready to potentially invest in their idea. So what we have on the front end is a purpose workshop. Now, this is a $250 workshop, but we are introducing it right now for $25 per individual. This is the 3-hour workshop, and in this workshop, they will literally find their purpose. They will know by the end of this workshop, end of this 3 hours, what their purpose is. Now, our target market is about 16 to 26. However, anyone, any adult that wants to find out what their purpose is welcome to attend these workshops. And then from there, once they have their purpose, Now we start to enter them into the life skills and service skills so we can really start to get them trained up so they can move forward with their purpose. And then from there we have a workforce ready module to where we're doing the assessment, but now we're really honing in on the life skills, the service skills, and some ongoing mentorship that's a part of that program. And that's a 3-day course. And then we have a management-ready course where maybe some individuals want to become a manager or a supervisor, but we start to interject business soft skills into that mix so that they now have all the tools they need to become successful in a management/supervisory environment. And then we also have a business-ready course to where we take them through, again, we take their concept from concept all the way to completion of their product. We teach them how to write a business plan, how to do executive summaries, all these types of things to help them hone and fine-tune their idea and even have micro-lenders on the back end ready to potentially invest in their program. That is what we call Operation Community Reboot. Hey, for more information, go to projectpurposeco.org. That's projectpurposeco.org. Thanks for listening.